Hi, and welcome back to another week in San Francisco. I've had a lot of fun lately, so I've been really enjoying making these little video diaries that I'll be able to look back on. So follow along as I take you through a week in my life and how I capture everything with a little help from my insta360 Go Ultra. Makeup is all done. I'm going to head out soon, but before that, I thought I would do a little what's in my bag featuring my new baby. This is the Bottega Mini Wallis in the fondant color. I got it when I was in Italy because the price was pretty decent, and I've been looking at this bag for over a year now and I just couldn't get it out of my mind. I've been using it a lot, so let's see what she fits. First thing I have are my sunglasses. I just put them in this really lightweight case. These are the Gentle Monsters in the Lings, I believe. Great pair of sunglasses. I wear these a lot. Next, I have a little Chanel hand cream. I don't usually bring hand cream around, but I have been doing pottery class lately, so my hands have been quite dry. I have my little Lise eye drops. These ones kind of burn in a good way, I think. They kind of have that like minty, refreshing feeling, which really wakes you up, I will give it that. I really like the packaging on this. Then I have my AirPods. I go caseless. I don't know why, I just always have. Power bank, because I am chronically on my phone. Whenever I take a United flight, I always take a ton of their sanitizing wipes because I think they're really good and useful, especially when I'm traveling. Then I have my card holder. This has my cash and keys, a little mini travel size perfume. This is Nishane Oolong Cha X, and I love this scent. I definitely want to purchase a full size one. It smells beautiful. If you love white tea and bergamot, which are my top two notes, then you'll love this one. And I have not one but two lippies. I usually like to carry around a balm, so this is the Romand Lasting Melting Balm, I think it's called. I have probably like 5 of these. And this one's new. This is the Idem Le Chouchou Lip Softening Balm. And I really like this because the applicator is metal, so it feels really nice on your lips. And then, last but not least, we have my camera. This is what I use to vlog when I'm out and about. I've been making videos for about 2 years now, and I'm still quite self-conscious about filming in public. If I'm honest with myself, it's probably not something that I'm ever truly going to get over, and so that's why I've been carrying this around. Almost everything I film lately has been on the Insta360 Go Ultra, and they are also the sponsor of today's video. There's a lot of reasons to love this, but I'm gonna tell you my favorite one. Listen, I'm just a girl. I have a lot of teeny tiny little bags, and this one is probably the exception to the rule. But my favorite feature about this is how small, lightweight, and portable it is, so I can really just throw it in any bag and bring it on the go. This is my only camera that fits in every single one of my bags. If I'm really tight on space, I can actually just pop the camera out of the action pod and bring this around by itself. So sometimes I just carry this around and leave the action pod at home, and I can just hit record with this button, or I can also control it remotely from this pod. The battery life is still quite good. Obviously, it's better with the action pod. It can film for 200 minutes, but I've actually never run out of battery before, so it works for me. The Go Ultra is quite small, but it still has all the features I need. It can shoot in up to 4K at 60 frames per second, so it can still give me that really high quality footage even when I'm out and about. Some other features I love about this are the different angles I can capture, and this is something that I think is so unique to this camera. The lens captures wide angle shots, much wider than any of my other cameras. You can also mount it on any metal surface, which I found really convenient for cooking shots, or if you want to mount it to something that's not metal, there's a sticky mount that you can attach to any surface. Something that I've really struggled to film in the past are POV shots, especially when I'm using both of my hands. So with the magnetic pendant, I can attach the camera and get hands-free POV shots of whatever I'm doing. And there's also a removable micro SD card slot, so it makes transferring footage and managing storage really easy. I've really enjoyed filming on this. I'm excited to make better content for myself and for you guys. If you're interested in one of these and want to learn more, I'll leave the link in the description below, and also I have a code here just for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go now. And it was time for the weekend festivities to begin. This was a special one because I had a friend from home visiting. I think as I get older, I've really come to cherish the few remaining close relationships I have with the people I grew up with. It's so nice to be able to talk about things that happened way back when we were just kids, growing up and trying to figure things out. And they've lived through things with me that no one in San Francisco has. So I really want to make it a priority to continue to keep in touch with people from all different timelines in my life.
This is my favorite, the zucchini fries. I've been given permission to break the crust. Do I just go straight in? Ah, that feels so wrong.
Are we vibing?
Yeah, it's totally good. Thank you. Oh, that's so Gen Z.
Very pretty. Yeah. The fog adds like a little etherealness.
Carl is out today.
You gotta get the rotating chickens.
Oh, yes. So we got the baklava frozen yogurt because she needs to try it while she's here. And our view in the background is these lovely chickens. Did you start yet? Cheers! I was about to cheers you out of instinct. Yeah. Usually I'm eating with Josh. That's fine, we can cheers. Thoughts?
I now know you don't choose me before eating, so.
And that's crazy.
I don't usually cheers my friends.
Really?
I cheers everybody.
Really?
Going to my friend's little Vietnamese coffee pop-up, and then we're gonna go grab some sandwiches and then go to the doggy senior home. They have dogs that are older that you can just go in and pet and spend time with and cuddle. I have had a couple of friends who fostered from there, and their dogs all got adopted within like a week.
This is like a board game.
So
Vincent and Minnie. Minnie, that was away. Wow, so I love your shoes. Are you guys going to Muncho?
yeah, we're gonna get sandwiches.
Get the panda.
What should I get? Last time I got the egg. You guys want this?
She gave me an extra cookie so we don't have to share.
That's so sweet.
And I got my knife sharpened for free. Their POS wasn't working.
No, I think this is your month.
It's a good day.
Yeah.
And our beautiful sandwiches. This one's turkey, this one's eggplant. And we got a cookie. Whoa. It's melted, yeah. SF has a lot of sandwich places, but to be honest, I haven't been that impressed. Even with the most popular spots.
Have you been to Deli Board?
I haven't been to Deli Board, but I don't really like pastrami. Yeah, it's like all. Whoa, look at that cross section.
I love focaccia. I like hot sandwiches.
Mmm, this one's really good. Toasted focaccia. I'm gonna take a bite of each. Mmm.
Better?
I feel like this one is unique.
Wow.
I really like these.
Yeah.
And they're so nice. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. He was kind enough to give me a little cookie. Apparently, this cookie is really good. It's the reason why we came here. The sandwiches were really good, so high expectations. Exactly how I like it. Crispy on the outside, fudgy on the inside. I loved. Oh my god, wait, he loves it! Oh my god. And cone and everything. Oh, they have flowers. This is the Heath Ceramics factory and showroom. Gigantic space. These are my dream glasses. Oh, look at the prices. Super expensive. But look how pretty. So nice. My favorite delivery of the month. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Josh is a very sweet boy and he likes to get me flower delivery every month so I don't feel too lonely. Not sponsored by any flower delivery company. However, if you would like to sponsor me, please reach out to the email below. This is perfect timing because all of my flowers from the engagement party are quickly shriveling up and dying. Did you write me a message this month? No. These ones are super dead.
Whoa, you should dry those. That would look so good.
No.
Oh, it's because they didn't bloom yet.
Yeah, they didn't bloom yet.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll look a lot better when they bloom.
Today I made a little salmon rice bowl with some avo, kipi mayo, and sriracha, and have a little seaweed pocket. If anyone has show recommendations, please let me know because I just finished The Samurai Turned Pretty and Jury Duty, which, by the way, I highly recommend. So I have no shows left. So simple and so delicious. I'm still a little hungry, so I made a concoction. I don't know if it'll taste good, but it's pumpkin brioche bread with unexpected cheddar on top and a little apricot jam and heirloom tomato. Truly just a combination of things I had in my fridge. It's good. I love a sweet and salty combo. I'm about to head out again for my friend's little birthday celebration. I'm going to bring her the beautiful pink carnations that I bought earlier. All right, bag of the day is this really cute cherry red one from Verified. All right, let's go. My friend got me this ultrasonic cleaner for my engagement, and I've never used one of these before. I usually just clean my jewelry with the little cleaning kit that Cartier gives you, but I'm pretty sure it's not that clean, and I do wear my jewelry every single day. I pretty much never take it off, so I'm gonna try this out. I'll probably start with like the pieces I care the least about before putting my ring in case something goes terribly wrong. The instructions seem simple enough, so hopefully I can figure this out. I hate reading these things. I left the more valuable pieces out because I'm scared. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's supposed to take 180 seconds. You can't really see too well, but this is what it looks like now. We're gonna take a leap of faith and put this one in. god, it is really shiny. Wow. I didn't think I'd see that big of a difference, but it definitely did its job. I will be getting a lot of use out of this cleaner. And these I have like basically never cleaned and they look really good. Yay! I feel like I've been running around all weekend, but it's not over yet. I need to head out soon to meet up with some friends at a little sandwich shop. The weather's been really nice lately. If you know San Francisco, you know that summer here actually starts in September through October. It's really nice outside. So yeah, we're just gonna pick up some sandwiches and eat them in the park. And later in the day, my friend Grace is hosting a little dinner party. She's going to cook us the Nobu miso black cod, which I'm really excited for. Scent of the day is Atelier Cologne, Clementine, California. I don't sell this anymore in the States, but I've been using it for probably 8 years and it's my absolute favorite. This is my first full-size perfume actually. My mom bought it for me while I was in college. So thank you, Mother. This chicken Caesar salad wrap was incredible. I can't believe I've never had one before, and now I'm on the hunt for the best one in the city. We were by Chase Center, which was perfect because I wanted to check out the Laver Cup activations. I didn't get tickets to the actual tournament. I have no idea why because I'm a huge tennis fan. Really regret that, but at least I got to peep it from the outside. I tried the mango matcha smoothie from Happy Lemon for the first time and was very pleasantly surprised. And then I went to my friend's place for a bit and we did a very small portion of a puzzle. Whoa. This is so fancy. How do you even know how to make this stuff?
Both.
My friend Grace had said she was cooking dinner to celebrate the engagement, but I didn't think it would be like this, with printed menus and everything. She prepared a beautiful spread of food, including raw scallops, my favorite. I was so touched by how much planning and effort she put into this. And at this point, I am sick of myself, but I love my friends and I'm so appreciative of how much they care about this milestone in my life. So thank you all. I'm so grateful for you. And of course, thank you for watching until the end. If you like how this was filmed, make sure you check out the Insta360 Go Ultra at the link below and be sure to use my code. The first 10 orders will get a special little free gift. Okay, thanks again and I will see you soon.